Motivation feels powerful until it disappears. We all know that feeling, that rush at the beginning, the excitement, the surge of this time is different, and then it's gone. Energy drops, life hits, you miss a day, then another, and suddenly you're asking yourself, what's wrong with me? Let's kill the lie right now. Most men are taught to wait until they feel motivated, feel inspired, feel confident, feel ready. We don't say it out loud, but the belief is always there. When I feel motivated, then I'll move. And when motivation fades, because it always does, they assume something is broken inside of them. That's the lie. Nothing is wrong with you. You just trusted the wrong tool. Here's the truth. Motivation is not designed to last, but discipline is. Motivation is emotional energy. Discipline is structural power. One is a feeling, the other is a system. Motivation can spark movement, but it cannot sustain it. Discipline does not care how you feel. It cares what was decided. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you moving when life gets heavy. And I'm gonna tell you something, life always gets heavy. But watch this. This is where most people miss it. Motivation keeps failing because it depends on how you feel. How rested are you? How inspired are you? How stressful the day has been? How chaotic your environment is? That is a fragile system because feelings fluctuate every single day, sometimes hourly. Discipline assumes the opposite though. It assumes you'll be tired. It assumes you'll be distracted, unmotivated, busy, frustrated, and it still works. Why? Because discipline removes daily decision making. You don't wake up asking, do I feel like doing this today? No, it's already decided. That's the power. Every time you rely on motivation, you force yourself to renegotiate the same decision over and over and over again. And negotiations drain energy. Discipline eliminates negotiation. The decision is already settled. You're not strong because you feel disciplined. You're disciplined because you removed the choice. That's the difference. So let's slow this down. Here's the framework. And this is one of the most important rules you'll hear in the dungeon. If your progress depends on motivation, it won't survive pressure. Pressure exposes systems. It doesn't create them. Discipline works because it doesn't negotiate with emotions. It does not ask permission from your mood. It doesn't wait for inspiration. It doesn't care if the day was unfair. You know what it does? It executes. So here's what you do practically. Not 10 habits, not a full overhaul. Pick one non-negotiable habit. Just one. Decide when it happens, decide where it happens, decide what counts as done, not perfect, done. Then stop asking how you feel about it. You don't need motivation. You need structure. Motivation is optional. Discipline is not. That's how consistency is built. That's how identity changes. That's how progress survives real life. Welcome to the dungeon. We don't chase feelings. We build structure. If you found value in this video, please join our community, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.